How can you cancel Discord Nitro on a smartphone? Canceling a Discord Nitro on a smartphone, you must use the same platform you use for the original purchase. So, if you're using an iOS device, then what you want to do is just open up settings. Just open up settings on your device and tap open the Apple ID at the top and select subscription and find Discord in the list and tap on cancel subscription. Then this was for an iOS device. And if you've used Google Play, then you want to use the App Store or your Google Play Store and tap onto the profile initials at the very top of the screen. Or you just want to go to the use section at the top right, you want to go to payment and subscription, select subscription from the list, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and find Discord and select cancel subscription. And this way you will be able to cancel Discord's Nitro subscription on your smartphone. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.